Introducing the 4D TechBag. It's probably the most versatile computer bag you've ever seen. And as with any 4D product, you can squeeze the unsqueezable. Skeptical? Just watch. We've got tired of looking for the ideal everyday bag and created our own. It needed to be elegant for any occasion, yet practical for everyday use. The TechPack is ultralight and slim when it's all zipped up, yet has tons of pockets for all your essentials. That includes a quick access pocket for when you're on a move. Let's explore the fourth dimension, but we're not all the way in yet. The TechBag is like a toolbox for your gadgets. Everything's right there, easy to see and grab. And the coolest part, this panel is detachable. Just click it off and voila! We call it the TechPack. The TechPack is an awesome desk organizer with a dedicated phone station and enough pockets for all your accessories. Heading to a meeting? No need to haul everything along. What's more, this organizer turns any of your backpacks into tech storage. Now you'll never forget your essentials in another bag again. We are getting closer. In this stage, TechPack is large enough to become a roomy briefcase, grocery bag, a gym bag, or an elegant backpack. Backpack straps are included with each TechPack. 4D is packed with all the necessary travel perks: lumbar support, suitcase attachment, a bottle holder, and 2 charging ports. Besides, it syncs perfectly with our 4D airtight pouches. Remember our 4D pack campaigns? Those pouches are designed to triple your luggage capacity. They're also smell-proof and waterproof, protecting your valuables from water damage. Now you can pack all these bulky clothes easily and still have tons of space for your stuff. It's like a black hole for your gear. Bottom line, if you need to choose just one bag that works for every occasion, from upscale dining to casual travel, it should be the TechBag. It's our 5th project. We spent a whole year developing the TechBag and refining every detail. Please support this campaign and help us to spread the word.